Welcome to Mampu AI. In this tutorial, we'll take a quick tour of the platform. If this is your first time using Mampu AI, select Create a new account. Enter your email and password, select your business industry, then select Create Account. During setup, select the channels your customers normally use. Don't worry about connecting everything yet. We'll cover it in a later tutorial. Key in your information and continue into your workspace. Once setup is complete, you'll arrive at your home dashboard. Here is your main starting point and gives you a quick view of your setup progress. When you're ready to create an AI agent, you have two ways to begin. You can start with an existing template or use Build with AI. For the main navigation, Conversations is where your team views and manages customer messages. Flow Agents is where you create, manage, and test your AI agents. Contacts contains the people who interact with your business. Reports gives you visibility into conversation and team performance. Blasting is where you prepare and manage outbound campaigns and messages. The Help Center allows you to create self-service content for your customers. Settings contains your workspace, inbox, automation, integration, and account settings. As your workspace grows, search helps you quickly find a conversation or contact. Just enter what you're looking for. Back on home, you'll find resources for additional guidance, including Book a Demo and Help Center. In the Help Center, you can search the feature or the task you're trying to complete. For example, searching for Flow Agent will bring up relevant guides and step-by-step instructions. That's your first tour of Mampu AI. Subscribe for part 2.